Welcome to my step-by-step guide about how to buy Ethereum here in the UK using Revolut and Coinbase, and then transferring it over to Metamask and swapping it for some altcoins. My name is Zita, and if you at all find this helpful, please smash the thumbs up button. It massively helps the channel. Before you invest in digital assets, make sure you check out my cryptocurrency safety video. I'll leave the link in the description below. Opening a Revolut account is easy and straightforward. You will need an ID for this and it should take minutes. Now sign up for Coinbase account. Again, you will need an ID. Once both of your accounts are open, you're ready to buy some crypto. Top up your newly created Revolut account with some pounds. Now that you have some funds in there, you need to get them over to Coinbase. You can do this either with a bank transfer or using a Revolut debit card. Bank transfer is better if you're trying to buy larger amounts of crypto. But always make sure you transfer a small amount first, just to make sure everything is set up and working correctly. And also be aware that you can only do 3 bank transfers into your Coinbase account daily. To do a bank transfer, first convert your pounds into euros. Under My Assets in your Coinbase account, click on Euro and then Add Cash. Copy all the details of your pay-in Coinbase account into your Transfer Revolut account. Especially make sure you write down your Coinbase unique reference number or your money won't arrive into your account. Press Continue. Your deposit will arrive usually in seconds, and you will also receive an email confirming this. Another way to buy crypto would be using your new Revolut debit card. You get a virtual one straight away when opening your account, and the physical one would arrive in a few days in post. So, on your Coinbase homepage, search an asset you would like to purchase. We will buy Ethereum in this example. Click on Pay With and then Add Payment Method. Click Credit Debit Card and fill in your card details to link it. Click on Edit Card and fill in amount you would like to use. Click Preview Buy and Buy Now. You will see the Ethereum you have just bought under My Asset. Metamask is a software cryptocurrency wallet that can be used to interact with decentralized applications. It has a built-in asset swap that you can use to swap your Ethereum for some cool altcoins. You need to download and create Metamask through either a browser extension or mobile app. On here, I'm going to use Chrome browser extension. Go to metamask.io and click Download, then Add to Chrome. The downloaded Metamask will appear in the right-hand corner under Extensions. Next, you need to create a new wallet and accept terms of use. Afterwards, create a strong password that you write down somewhere safe and click Create a new wallet and Secure my wallet. By opting to secure your wallet, you get a 12-word secret recovery phrase. Again, keep this secure. Click Reveal Phrase and write it down. In the next step, confirm the missing words of your secret phrase. Hooray! Your Metamask wallet is ready. On your homepage, you can see your new Metamask ETH public address, your assets and all the activity. Now you need to transfer your purchased ETH from Coinbase to Metamask. Go to Primary Balance on your Coinbase account and choose Ethereum and click Send. You can send a small amount first to again check all is set up correctly, but be aware that fees for using ETH network can be sky high and can exceed the amount you're actually sending. In your Metamask, click Copy to Clipboard. So copy your ETH address and paste it into to row in Coinbase account. Press Send Now. Your ETH will arrive soon in your Metamask account and will show under Your Assets. Now, Enable smart transactions in your Metamask that should hopefully save you some money and should eliminate failing transactions. Click Swap and choose from ETH to an altcoin of your choosing. I'm going to swap to Metaverse coin Starling. You can research some exotic altcoins on CoinGecko. You can find here price history, market cap, and exchanges that allow you to purchase them. You can also find the contract info in the right-hand corner that you can copy and paste into the Metamask asset field to make sure you are buying the right coin. Enter the amount of ETH you want to exchange and make sure you keep some for the network fees. Check the amount of fees. The fees can change sometimes rapidly, so it can be worth it to wait a little or come back later if it's expensive. Click Swap and transaction is complete. Starling is now displayed in your assets. Make sure you store your crypto safely. The best way is in a hardware wallet. I recommend Ledger. I'll leave a link below to the website where you can purchase one. Bye for now.